Yeah, the typical question looks like this. If A can do a work in 10 days and B can do the same work in 15 days, then how many days A and B together can finish the work? ऐसा क्वेश्चंस आपने देखा होगा. ये टिपिकल टाइम एंड वर्क का है, सबसे सिंपल प्रॉब्लम. So we'll go through some different methods of solving this, and we'll solve lot of sums during this class. थोड़ा हेवी रहेगा मैथ्स में. मैथ्स तो सिंपल है बट थोड़ा हेवी रहेगा. So let's start with what do we understand with time and work. टाइम का मतलब क्या हुआ? टाइम कैन बी सेकेंड्स, मिनट्स, आवर, डे, वीक, मंथ, ईयर. ये सब यूनिट्स ऑफ टाइम है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. दैट कम्स अंडर टाइम. सेकेंड्स, मिनट्स, आवर, डे, वीक, मंथ, ईयर, century, these are all time, units of time. And work क्या हुआ? Any completed job such as assembling machine or building structure, removal of waste, कुछ भी, कोई भी काम आप समझ लीजिए जो पूरा complete हो जाता है, that is called a work. कुछ भी आप एक सामान एक जगह से उठा के दूसरी जगह रख रहे हैं, that is also a work. Okay, so anything you can conceive, that is a work. Now, how do we solve this? These type of problems. See, first one. If Ram can do a work in A days and Sham can do the same work in B days, then in how many days Ram and Sham together can finish the work? This is a standard formula. You can use this. Number of days they can finish the work working together is given by AB by A plus B. This is applicable in simple problems. And if there are 3 persons, then if Ram can do a work in A days, Sham can do the same work in B days, and Rahim can do the same work in C days, then in how many days Ram, Sham and Rahim together can finish the work? It is given by ABC by AB plus BC plus CA. Total number of days taken by all 3 together to complete the work when they work together is given by ABC divided by AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. Now this is the simplest formula, simple problems. You can use the formula and you'll get the answer. Now let's move a little ahead. Another concept how to solve time and work is a reciprocal method. This is called reciprocal method, and most of the books and classical problems you will find this solution. If A can do a work in n days, then in one day A can do 1 by n of the work. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर मैं किसी काम को 2 दिन में करता हूं तो एक दिन में मैं उसका 1/2 काम करूंगा, which is half of the work. या नहीं तो मान ले अगर किसी काम को मैं 5 दिन में कंप्लीट करता हूं तो एक दिन में 1/5 of the work कंप्लीट करूंगा. This is what it is. If A can do a work in n days, then in one day A can do 1 by n of the work. And the second one, if A's 1 day work is 1 by n, then A can finish the work in n days. अब इसका जस्ट रेसिप्रोकल आप ले लीजिए. अगर मैं एक दिन में 1/5 of the work कंप्लीट करता हूं, 1/5, टोटल वर्क मैं कंप्लीट करूंगा 5 days में. या मैं अगर किसी वर्क 1/3 of the work एक दिन में कंप्लीट करता हूं तो टोटल कितने दिन में कंप्लीट करूंगा? 3 days में. 1/3 एक दिन, दूसरे दिन 1/3, तीसरे दिन 1/3. So it will complete in 3 days. This is the second one. This is called reciprocal method of solving time and work problems. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to another concept, which is an efficiency concept. If A is thrice a good workman as B, then ratio of work done by A and B is equal to 3:1. What does this mean? this says A is 3 times better worker than B. So suppose in one day, suppose it is one day, then A will do 3 times more work than B in one day. This is what it means here. A can do 3 times more work than B in the given number of days. If A is thrice good workman as B. और इसका थोड़ा एक reciprocal ratio ले लीजिए, then ratio of time taken, I'm talking about this one, second one. The ratio of time taken by A and B to complete the same work is 1:3. Of time, same work, अगर A completes in one day, then B will complete that work in 3 days because he's 3 times slower than A. A is 3 times better than B. So, and if A complete the work in 2 days, then B will complete the work in 6 days. 3 का ratio रहेगा इन दोनों में. Is it clear? Can we move to next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is another concept. Let's first understand this, then we'll talk more. See, when you see this square or rectangle, whatever you say, this whole thing is work. Logically, you can say this whole rectangle or a square is a work, and it has been divided into 4 equal units. The work has been divided into 4 equal units. Okay, logically, एक वर्क लिया, वर्क को 4 equal units में divide कर दिया. So total work constitutes of 4 units. Okay, and there is one workman. He is the workman. He can complete 1 unit per day. This workman can complete 1 unit per day. Then how many days one workman will complete the work? In how many days? बता सकते हैं? The work, yeah, sorry? 4 days, yes. The workman completes 1 unit per day and the work has been divided into 4 equal units. So he will take 4 days to complete the work. Now, suppose there are 4 workers. There are 4 workmen and each workman does 1 unit of work per day. Then in how many days work will be completed?
1.
1 day.
1 day. Now this is called a LCM method. And generally you will not find this in many books. But I have found this as the simplest method to solve any problem of time and work. It is more of logical approach rather than mathematical approach. और जब आप mathematical चीज करते हैं तो you are prone to make mistakes, silly mistakes, multiplication, division ये सब में. यहाँ वो नहीं होगा, logical में वो mistake नहीं होता. Let's go ahead and do the problems now. From here onwards, we'll be doing problems. So A can do a work in 3 days. B can complete the work in 6 days. In how many days A and B can complete the work together? See, first of all, we'll solve with
2 days.
2 days.
yes, very good, very good. 2 days. You have used formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can use formula. So we will solve it with 3 ways. First is reciprocal, then we will solve by formula, and then we will solve by the LCM method. Okay, so let's see this. Approach 1, which is reciprocal method. A can do a work in 3 days, which means in 1 day, he can do 1/3 of the work. So A can do 1/3 of the work in 1 day. Similarly, B can complete the work in 6 days. So B can do 1/6 of the work in 1 day. And when they work together, they complete 1/3 plus 1/6, which you'll get 1/2 of the work in 1 day. So if they complete together, if they work together and complete 1/2 of the work in 1 day, then the total work they will complete in 2 days. Reciprocal method. Okay, if A takes works 1 by n, if A completes 1 by n of the work in one day, then total work he will complete in n days. Similarly, A and B together can complete the work in 1 by 2 days. Sorry, 1 by 2 of the work in one day. So total work they will complete in 2 days. This is your reciprocal method. Here you see this is, there is a little bit of calculation 1 by 6, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, जहां आपको फिर LCM लेके आगे बढ़ना होगा. The same formula, the same equation 1 by 3, 1 by 6, which is basically 1 by A, 1 by A by 1 by B. Okay, ये इसको सॉल्व करके ही ये फॉर्मूला मिला है. There is nothing difference from reciprocal method. If you see this formula, ये इसी को सॉल्व करके मिला 1 by A plus 1 by B. इसको अब सॉल्व करो तो देखो क्या मिलेगा. 1 by number of days, यही फॉर्मूला आता है ना. If so, इसको आप करोगे तो n is equal to AB by A plus B आ जाएगा. अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो ये A plus B by AB is equal to 1 by n होगा. So n will be AB by A plus B, which is this formula. So that is basically a solution of this only. So if you use formula AB by A plus B, A here is 3 and B here is 6. So AB is 18 and A plus B is 9. So 18 by 9, you get 2 days. So this way you can solve. And the third, what we see is LCM method. Now, how do we find LCM? This is the tricky thing. यहाँ पे 3 days दिया हुआ है और यहाँ पे 6 days दिया हुआ है. अब इन दोनों का मेरे को LCM निकालना है. 3 and 6 का LCM निकालना है. So how do we find LCM? एक तो classical method है, but easiest way is आप छोटा वाला number लें and try to divide. So छोटा वाला number is 3. 3 को पहला से 3 से divide करेंगे so it is completely divisible. But 3 को 6 से divide करेंगे तो it is not completely divisible. So it is not lowest common multiple, LCM. So let's go ahead. 3 के बाद हम 6 पे जाते हैं. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 पे 3 is completely divisible and 6 is also completely divisible. So this will be the lowest. उसके बाद 18 पे भी दोनों completely हो जाएंगे. 12 पे भी हो जाएंगे. Okay, but 6 is the lowest LCM. Okay, that is what LCM is. So if we take 3 and 6, the LCM is 6. Okay, so take the LCM, which is 6, and then you divide the work into 6 equal units. जैसे पहली बार हमने उसमें फिगर में डिवाइड किया था 4 equal units. Conceptually you divide the whole work in 6 units, equal units, जितना भी LCM आया. Okay, once this is done, then A does complete the work in 3 days, which means A is doing 2 units per day. तभी वो 3 days में complete कर पाएगा. Total work is 6 units, and A completes in 3 days. So he is doing 2 units per day. Then only he will be able to complete the work in 3 days, which is 6 divided by 3. Okay, so he is doing 2 units per day. And similarly, B is doing how much? B is doing 1 unit per day because B completes in 6 days. So 6 divided by 6. So he is doing 1 unit per day. So A does 2 units per day. B does 1 unit per day. So A, B together, they will do 3 units per day. 3 units of work per day. And total work is 6 units. So they will take 2 days. 3 units per day कर रहे हैं, 6 units है तो 2 दिन लेंगे. Yeah, calculation कम होता है, it is more of logical. Is it clear? We'll be doing more sums, but अभी ये clear हुआ दोनों approach?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll move to next one. A can do a work in 20 days. A and B together can complete the work in 15 days. In how many days B alone can complete the work? यहाँ बहुत different problems आप solve करेंगे. So A can do a work in 20 days. A and B together can complete the work in 15 days. In how many days B alone can complete the work? You can use the formula here. Here A is known and final days is known. B is to be found out. AB by A plus B. Okay. So let's first do this reciprocal method. A can do a work in 20 days. So A can do 120 of the work in one day. Together they can complete 1 by 20, which is A is doing. B ka I don't know. B is, let's say B takes 20, B takes B days to complete the work. So it is 1 by 20 plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by 15, because together when they work, they take 15 days to complete the work. So this is the equation. 1 by 20 plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by 15. Once you solve this, you will get 60 days. Okay, how will you solve this? See, 1 by 20 plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by 15. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को अगर आप लेंगे तो इट विल बिकम B प्लस 20 by 20B
days, sir.
very good, very good. It will be 16 days, 60 days. 1 by 15. अब आप उसको और further solve कीजिए. So cross multiply, when you do cross multiplication, you bring this here and this here. So it will become 15B, B into 15 is 15B, plus 15 into 20 is 300. Is equal to 20B. अब आप इसको अगर इधर ले आएंगे तो इट विल बिकम 300 is equal to 20B minus 15B is 5B. So B is equal to 300 by 5, which is equal to 60 days. So B takes 60 days to complete the work. Okay. So this is your reciprocal method. Okay. You use the formula AB by A plus B. Here A is equal to 20. B I don't know. B I have to find out. Okay. Here A is equal to 20. B I have to find out. So it will become 20B is equal to 300 plus 15B. It's the same thing, same equation which you solved earlier, and you'll get the same answer. B is equal to 60. And then the approach 2, let's take LCM. अब यहाँ दो नंबर हैं 20 days and 15 days. So what will be the LCM? The least common multiple. इसमें छोटा क्या है 15 है. तो 15 1 are 15. अगर मैं 15 लेता हूँ तो 15 में divisible है 20 नहीं है. So this is not the least common multiple. मैं एक स्टेप और बढ़ता हूँ 15 को 30 करता हूँ. 30 में भी 15 divisible है 20 नहीं है. फिर 15 को बढ़ाता हूँ 45 करता हूँ, उसमें भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. लेकिन जब मैं 60 करता हूँ 15 to 4 is 60. जब मैं 60 पे जाता हूँ तो 20 completely divisible है. So 60 becomes the least common multiple here, and the least common multiple is 60, which you take that 60 as LCM and divide the work into 60 equal units. Okay. LCM का clear हो गया? कैसे दिया?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 60 units. So work constitutes of 60 units. A can do the work in 20 days. So A does how many units per day? 3 units per day, because total work is 60 units. and A takes 20 days to complete. So he does 3 units per day. Then only he will be able to complete the work in 60 days. 20 days, sorry, complete 60 units of work in 20 days. And together, when A and B together work, then they take 15 days to complete, which means they are doing 4 units per day. A does 3 units per day. A and B together, when they work, they do 4 units per day, which is very clear. B does 1 unit per day. And if B is doing 1 unit per day and the whole work is 60 units, so we will take 60 days to complete the work. This is your LCM method. Less of calculation, more of logical. So A complete the 3 units of work in 1 day. Together, they complete 4 units of work in 1 day because they take together 15 days to complete 60 units of work. You have divided it 60 units, okay? So B will complete 1 unit of work. A does 3 unit alone. A and B together do 4 unit. So definitely B is doing only 1 unit per day. So if B is doing 1 unit per day and the work is 60 units total, 60 units, work is 60 units and B does 1 unit per day. So he will take 60 days to complete the work. This is the answer here. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will move faster. A and B can together complete a task in 12 hours. B and C can complete the same task in 15 hours. And C and A can complete the same task in 20 hours. In how many hours all three can complete the same task? Let's take the LCM first. We have 3 numbers here, 12, 15, and 20. Out of these 3, let's take the lowest one, 12. So 12 may only 12 is divisible, 15, 20 are not divisible. Up next multiplication 24, 24 may be only 12 is divisible. Next 12 3s are 36. वहां भी वही हालत है. आप जब 60 पहुंचेंगे तो देखेंगे all 3 are divisible completely. So 60 becomes the LCM here. It's the least multiple, common multiple where all 3 of them are completely divisible, least number. 120 भी होगा इसका, 180 भी होगा, सब में divisible है ये तीनों, but least is 60. इससे lowest में all 3 are not completely divisible. Okay, so now how do we do this? A and B, so total units is 60 units. So work is, total work is 60 units because LCM is 60. So we can write total work.
Total hours, right?
Total hours. Sorry. Yeah, total hours. This is hours. Total work is 60 hours. Day के जगह hours हो गया. Yes. Sorry. Total work is 60 hours. Sorry. Total work is 60 units. My mistake. Hours सुन के मैं थोड़ा ये हो. Total work is 60 units. Is it correct? Is this clear with you all? Total work is 60 units. Because LCM is 60. So total work is 60 units.
Yes.
Okay, then now let's say A and B. A and B, how many units do they do per day?
12.
Per hour. Sorry, here it is per hour. How many units per hour? A and B?
12.
Sorry?
12.
No, they take 12 hours to complete the work. The work is 60 units. So how many units per hour they do, A and B?
5.
1 by 12.
No. It will be 60. Total 60 units divided by 12. Okay, we have to say how many units per hour. So it is 5 units per hour. अगर 5 units per hour कर रहा है तभी ये 60 units को 12 घंटा में खत्म करेगा ना.
Yes.
B by C, how many units per hour?
4.
B plus C. B plus C will do 4 units per hour. Understood? 4 units per hour कैसे होगा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 4 units होगा क्योंकि they are completing, B and C are completing the work in 15 hours and total work is 60 units. So 60 divided by 15 is 4 hours, 4 units per hour. And C plus A, when C and A together are working, then how many units they are doing per hour?
3 units.
Very good. They are doing 3 units per hour. किसी को भी क्लियर नहीं हो रहा तो आप फिर से पूछ लीजिएगा, मैं दोबारा तिबारा एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स में बताऊंगा ये. Okay, why 3 units? Because C and A together can complete the task in 20 hours. Okay, they are completing the task in 20 hours and the total work is 60 units. So they do 3 units per hour, तभी 20 hours में वो 60 units खत्म करेंगे. Now add all these. So you will get 2 into A plus B plus C is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3, 12 units per hour. Okay, 2 times, because A plus B, B plus C, C plus A करोगे तो आप 2 times आएगा. So A plus B together, A plus B plus C, when they work, all of them work together. How many units of hour? How many units per hour they will do? They will do 12 divided by 2, sorry,
6.
is equal to 6 units per hour. या ये क्लियर हुआ अभी आप लोग को? किसी को भी जिसको क्लियर नहीं हुआ हो? No problems, you can ask me. A plus B plus C, when all 3 of them are working together, they are doing 6 units per hour. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So if they are doing 6 units per hour and the total work is 60 units, then how many hours they will take to complete the work, all 3 of them?
10.
Very good. They will take 10 hours. So LCM is 60 units. A and B complete 5 units of work in 1 hour. B and C will complete 4 units per hour. C and A will complete 3 units per hour. So 2 into A plus B plus C completes 12 units per hour. A plus B completes 6 units. If they are doing 6 units per hour and total work is 60 units, then they will complete the work in 10 hours. You'll get these slides. Okay, we'll mail you the slides. So these slides will be there with you later on. And video will also be there. Let's do this one. A can finish a work in 18 days and B can do the same work in 15 days. B worked for 10 days and left the job. In how many more days A can finish the remaining work? ये क्या बोल रहा है? It is trying to say is this. You see here. If total days for completing the work when B works, okay, B works for 10 days and leaves the job, okay, and then A comes in, okay, A comes in and the remaining work A does in maybe n days, total work जो है वो 10 plus n days चला, okay, and A is doing work for n days. So what it is trying to say is, now if B works for 10 days and leaves the job and A alone is finishing the work, remaining work, so on how many days he will finish the remaining work means what is the value of n? It is trying to ask what is the value of n. Okay. So let's see this. There are two figures, 18 and 15. What will be the LCM of these two? 15 का टेबल पे करते जाइए और 18 को डिवाइड करते जाइए. किस पॉइंट पे, किस नंबर पे दोनों डिविजिबल हो जाएगा? पहला लोएस्ट. 90. Very good. So 90 means LCM is 90. So total work is 90 units. Okay. If total work is 90 units, total work is equal to 90 यूनिट्स. अब 90 इक्वल यूनिट्स में हमने डिवाइड कर दिया टोटल वर्क को, 90 यूनिट्स. नाउ the life will be very simple. A can finish the work in 18 days. So A can do how many units of work per day? A can finish 5 units per day. Very good. A can do 5 units per day. 90 divided by 18 is 5. And B can do how many units of work per day?
6.
6. Very good. Now, this whole, when we see on the left hand side, ये B and A का जो हम ये बात कर रहे थे, this one, this whole is how many units? You have divided now, it is 90 units. The whole work is 90 units, okay? B works for 10 days. So B कितना यूनिट खत्म कर दिया?
50.
60 यूनिट्स खत्म कर दिया. Hello? Yes. B has completed 60 units. So how many units are left for A to complete?
30.
30 units. Okay. और 30 यूनिट्स फिर A कितने देर में खत्म करेगा?
6 days.
वेरी गुड. 30 यूनिट्स. and 30 यूनिट्स को खत्म करने के लिए, बिकॉज A is doing 5 units per day, so 30 यूनिट्स को खत्म करने के लिए he will take 6 days. Okay, so this is what the answer is. Total LCM is 90 units. A can complete 5 units per day. B can complete 6 units per day. Work completed in 10 days by B is 60 units. So remaining कितने बच गए? 30 units और complete करना है, जो A को complete करना है. तो A अगर अकेले काम करेगा, since he can do 5 units per day, तो 30 units खत्म करने के लिए उसको 6 more days लगेंगे. तो remaining work को खत्म करने के लिए A को 6 days लगेगा. ये remaining work. And total work कितना दिन last किया? 10 plus 6. 10 days तो B काम किया and A किया 6 days. So total work last किया 16 days. Okay? Okay, fine. So now these are class exercises which you have to do quickly. Simple exercises. So let's do first one. A can do a work in 6 days. B can complete the work in 12 days. In how many days A and B together can complete the work? आप लोग फटाफट कर लीजिए, ये तो सिंपल है.
4 days.
4 days.
Yes, sir.
Everyone agrees 4 days? Yes, it is 4 days. Formula आप लगा दो तो आराम से बन जाएगा. Good. A can do a work in 20 days. A and B together can complete the work in 15 days. In how many days B alone can complete the work? You are saying 60 days. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
60 days. Any other answer, anyone? Or 60 days is right? एक कोई और भी आंसर बताइए. एक 60 days तो एक आंसर आया. कोई और?
Sixty days.
Very good. 60 days is the answer. ये वही प्रॉब्लम है, हमने पहले किया भी था ये प्रॉब्लम. अगर आपको याद होगा तो हमने किया था पहले प्रॉब्लम ये. Okay, is it clear? Shall I move to next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A can do a work in 20 days. B can do the same work in 30 days. A, B, and C together can complete the work in 10 days. In how many days C alone can do the work? इसको सॉल्व कीजिए. So it will be 60 days is the answer to complete 60 units of work. Okay, this one. A can do a certain work in the same time in which B and C together can do it. If A and B together could do it in 10 days and C alone in 50 days, then B alone can do it in how many days? Tricky है थोड़ा. LCM is 50, right? So it is 50 units per day, 50 units of work. Okay, so work, total work is equal to 50 units. टेन एंड 50 का एलसीएम तो 50 ही होगा. कुछ आंसर आया आप लोग का? मैं धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ रहा हूं आप लोग. नाउ A and B together could do it in 10 days, which means A and B, when they work together, A plus B, how many units they do per day?
5.
5 units per day. Yes, they are doing 5 units per day. And C alone in 50 days. C will complete the work alone in 50 days. So C is doing 1 unit per day. है ना? 50 days में खत्म कर रहा है तो 1 unit per day. You add them. How much is it? When they work all together, when they work, A plus B plus C is equal to 6 units per day. Together when they work, they do 6 units per day. अब हम पहले लाइन पे आए. A can do a certain work, this one. A can do a certain work in the same time which B and C together can do, which means A units of work per day is equal to together B plus C units of work per day. This is what it is saying. A units of work per day is equal to B plus C together unit per day. So B plus C के जगह पे just substitute by A. So it will become A plus A is equal to 6 units per day. So 2A is equal to 6 units per day. So A is equal to, sorry, A does 3 units per day. Agreed? So now come back to this equation. Question is, then B alone could do it in how many days? Now in this, we know A is doing 3 units per day. C is doing 1 unit per day. From here we know. So A and C together are doing 4 units per day.
25.
Yes, very good. And A plus B plus C are doing 6 units per day. So B is doing 2 units per day. B is equal to 6 minus whatever A does, which is 3 units per day, minus whatever C does, 1 unit per day, is equal to 2 units per day. So B is doing 2 units per day, and total work is now 50 units. So definitely B will complete the work. If he works alone, he will complete the work in 25 days. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any confusion? We can do it again.
Sir, I didn't got it. Can you repeat?
Okay, good, very good. पहला आप बताओ, वर्क इज 50 यूनिट्स, ये क्लियर है? 50 यूनिट्स कैसे हुआ? एलसीएम हमने 10 का लिया और 50 का लिया. 10 एंड 50 दो नंबर है हमारे पास. तो 10 एंड 50 का अगर मैं एलसीएम लूंगा तो 50 इज द लोएस्ट नंबर इन विच बोथ ऑफ देम आर completely divisible. So total work is 50 units. Is this okay?
Yes.
Okay, just one sec. So this one we have done. Okay, total. Just one sec. Mera. So total work is 50 units. Now, Gaurav, okay, just one sec. Yeah. Now A plus B does 5 units per day. How it does come? Because it is given here, if A and B together could do it in 10 days. So A and B together when they work, they can do, if A and B together when they work, they can do it in 10 days, which means if 50 units of work they have to complete in 10 days, so per day they have to do 5 units per day, then only they will be able to complete 50 units in 10 days. So that is what A plus B. Okay, and C is 1 unit per day. Why 1 unit per day? Because C alone can do it in 50 days. Here it is given, C alone can do it in 50 days. So 50 days में करता है 50 units, तो 1 unit per day करेगा. Okay. Now, if you add all of them, you will get A plus B plus C is equal to 6 units per day. है ना? A plus B is 5 units per day, and C is 1 unit per day. You add them. Sorry, you add them, you will get this A plus B plus C is equal to 6 units per day. यहाँ तक clear है? Hello? यहाँ तक any confusion?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's come to the real thing in this problem, which is given here. You see this, if A can do a certain work in the same time as B and C together can do it. This is the catch here. This is the catch. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है? A number of units per day जो करेगा, which will be equal to B and C together जो number of units per day करेगा. Which means I can write like this: A is equal to B plus C. A is equal to B plus C. A जितना units of work per day करेगा, B plus C भी उतना ही units of work per day करेगा. This is what it says here. Okay. Once we know this, then we substitute this in A plus B plus C is equal to 6 units per day. इस फॉर्मूला में A is equal to B plus C. So B plus C के जगह हमने A रख दिया है और A पहले से था. So it becomes A plus A is 6 units per day. So 2A is 6 units per day. Therefore A will do 3 units per day. If A does 3 units per day and C we know 1 unit per day. Okay. And A plus B plus C do 6 units per day. ये तीनों हम अब लेके चलते हैं इक्वेशन. दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2 एंड दिस इज 3. ये तीन इक्वेशंस. तो B is equal to 6 minus number of units per day of A minus number of units per day of C is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 units per day. So B is doing 2 units per day, and it says to find out B alone could do it in how many days. Okay. So if B does 2 units per day, so 50 units he will complete in 25 days. अभी क्लियर हुआ? ठीक है. आगे बढ़ूं कि फिर से करूं? कहीं भी कंफ्यूजन हो तो फिर से आप बोलो, मैं करता हूं जहां भी आपको कंफ्यूजन है. कोई बात नहीं, कहीं अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो बताओ, मैं फिर से करता हूं. ओके, इफ नो आंसर इज देयर देन आई अज्यूम के हो गया क्लियर. आई विल मूव अहेड. आप बताओगे नहीं तो मेरे को पता नहीं चलेगा. ओके, मैं तो आगे बढ़ता जाऊंगा समझ के कि आप कर रहे हो और समझ में आ रहा है. सो द आंसर हियर इज 25 days. Okay, can you do this? A and B can together complete a task in 10 hours. B and C can complete the same task in 18 hours, and C and A can complete the same task in 15 hours. In how many hours B alone can complete the same task? ये ट्राई करो आप वैसे ही. LCM निकाल लो पहले. LCM 10, 18 and 15 का LCM आप निकाल लो. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स ऑफ द वर्क हो गया उतना LCM. एंड देन A and B, A plus B कितना यूनिट्स पर डे, B plus C कितना यूनिट्स पर डे, एंड C plus A कितना यूनिट्स पर डे. सबको आप ऐड कर दो और उससे निकाल दो A plus B plus C कितने यूनिट्स पर डे हुए. तो B is equal to टोटल नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स पर डे माइनस A plus C, और A plus C आप जानते हो कितना यूनिट्स पर डे कर रहा है. माइनस करके आपको मिल जाएगा B कितना यूनिट्स पर डे करेगा, एंड देन यू कैन डिवाइड इट. ट्राई दिस. सो टोटल वर्क यूनिट इज 90 units. A and B together can complete 9 units per hour. B and C can complete 5 units per hour, and C and A can complete 6 units per hour. So if you add all of them, 2 into A plus B plus C, you will get 20 units per hour. So A plus B plus C will be 10 units per hour together. So B is equal to 10 units per hour minus A plus C. A plus C is 4 units per hour. So B will be doing, 6 units per hour, A plus C. So B will be doing 4 units per hour alone. If B does 4 units per hour, so 90 units कितने देर में खत्म करेगा? कितना? 22.5. Hello? 22.5, right? Yes, very good.
Yes.
Answer is 22.5. Has everyone understood? Shall I do it? आप बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, मैं करता हूं, करूं?
Yes, sir.
ओके, मेरे को आपसे बुलवाना पड़ता है। आप बोलो, कोई बात नहीं इसमें। सी व्हाट इज द एलसीएम? एलसीएम ऑफ 10, 15 and 18, the lowest number is 10. So let's, अब 10 का मैं टेबल पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, शुरू करता हूँ। 10 into 10, 10 into 1 is 10. The other two numbers are not divisible. 10 into 2, 20 नहीं divisible है। 30 में 15 divisible है लेकिन 18 divisible नहीं है। ऐसे आप आगे बढ़ोगे तो 90 मिलेगा। 90 में all three are divisible, and this becomes the LCM. Okay, and which means the total work is 90 units. So here work is equal to 90 units. Okay. Now A and B can together complete the task in 10 hours, which means A plus B are doing 9 units per hour. तभी वो 10 hours में खत्म करेगा 90 units. So they are doing 9 unit per hour. B and C can complete the task in 18 hours. So B plus C together, they can complete the task in, when they work together in 90 total units है, 18 है, so they are doing 5 units per hour. तभी वो 18 hours में खत्म कर सकेगा. And C and A, when they work together, they complete the same task in 15 hours, which means when they work together, they do 6 units per hour. तभी वो 90 units को 15 hours में खत्म कर सकेगा. Now जब ये आ गया तो तीनों को आप ऐड कर दीजिए. You will get 2 into A plus B plus C is equal to 9 plus 5 plus 6, which is 20 units per hour. So A plus B plus C is equal to 10 units per hour. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? A and B and
Yes,
C together, when they work, they do 10 units per hour. Okay, now what it is saying, in how many hours B alone can complete the task. So B alone को अगर मैं यही equation पकड़ूं, A plus B is equal to 10, तो B will be equal to 10 minus A plus C. उसी इक्वेशन में राइट हैंड साइड ले आया. ओके, नाउ A plus C कितना यूनिट्स पर आवर कर रहा है? यहां आप देखो 6 यूनिट्स पर आवर कर रहा है. तो B is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 units per hour. So B is doing 4 units per hour when he works alone, and total कितने हैं? 90 units हैं. So B will take 90 by 4 hours is equal to 22.5 hours. Clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the answer. Okay. So let's go to the next one. X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. X can do in 20 days and Y can do in 12 days. X started the work alone and then after 4 days, Y joined him till the completion of the work. How long did the work last? इसमें क्या पूछ रहा है? इसमें पूछ रहा है कि आप जैसे कोई वर्क है, A can do in that work in 20 days and B can do in 12 days. Okay. Now X started the work. Now suppose this is the work. So X started the work alone and then after 4 days. So 4 days तक X ने काम किया. X ने 4 days तक काम किया. Okay. उसके बाद Y joined him. तो ये जो पोर्शन है ये X plus Y टुगेदर काम किया. N days. N days काम किया. X and Y together. Now it is trying to, just one second. Okay. So 4 days ये काम किया X, उसके बाद Y ज्वाइन कर लिया और N days और काम चला, उसमें काम खत्म हुआ. So it is trying to say कि कितना दिन, total how many days the work last. So it is the work lasted for 4 days plus N days. The work lasted for 4 days. 4 days जो X काम किया plus N days जो X plus Y together काम किया. This is what he is trying to ask. So हमें इसमें N find करना है. This is what we have to do. So it's simple. 20 and 12. Let's find out the LCM. उसका LCM आप निकाल लो. उसके बाद X 4 दिन तक काम किया, कितना यूनिट्स खत्म हो गया और बाकी जो बचा हुआ है वो कितने दिन में ये लोग खत्म करेंगे. बस वही निकालना है. The total days would be the answer. करो आप थोड़ा ट्राई करो फिर. See, total work is 60 units. 60 is the LCM. X can do 3 units per day because X can finish in 20 days and Y can do 5 units per day. Now X 4 दिन तक काम किया. So he has completed how many units? 4
12.
into 3, 12 units. So what is the remaining unit?
48.
48 units. X plus Y together काम करेगा. X plus Y together काम करेगा तो कितना units per day करेगा? X 3 units कर रहा है, Y 5 units कर रहा है. तो together they, when they work, they will complete 8 units per day. And 48 units इनको खत्म करने हैं. So they will take 6 additional days. So total work will last 10 days. 4 days plus 6 days.
10 days.
Answer is none of these. The total work is LCM is 60 units, which means X can complete 3 units per day and Y can complete 5 units per day. When they work together, they can complete 8 units per day. 4 days का काम X ने खत्म किया और उसके बाद Y ज्वाइन किया. So X has completed 12 units. X has completed 12 units. The remaining units बच गए 48 units, which will be covered by X and Y together. So X and Y will complete remaining 48 units in 6 days. The total number of days the work lasted was 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 days. Clear? Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अच्छा, अब मैं आगे बढ़ता हूँ. क्लास एक्सरसाइज हो गए थोड़े. इसमें काफी प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाते हैं. तरह तरह के बहुत डिफरेंट टाइप्स का प्रॉब्लम. अब ये एक डिफरेंट टाइप का प्रॉब्लम है. 10 men can complete a work in 7 days and 10 women take 14 days to complete the work. Same work. How many days will 5 men and 10 women take to complete the work? अब ऐसा जहां आ रहा है, देखिए पहले 1 A था, B था, 1 1 था. यहाँ 10 men है. तो इसका LCM निकालने के लिए for simplicity always multiply this by this. and this by this. For simplicity, I am saying. Otherwise, वो point में answer आने लगेगा, point में फिर solve करना बहुत दिक्कत हो जाता है. So 10 into 7 is 70, and 10 into 14 is 140. So you have two numbers, 10 and 140. Sorry, 70 and 140. Are you getting this? 70 and 140 कैसे आया? 10 men है, 7 days में कर रहा है. Okay, so one man करेगा 70 days में, and 10 women है 14 days में करनी, तो 1 woman करेगी 140 days में. ये करना है, 1 में convert कर देते हैं. Okay, so you multiply that, you get two numbers, 70 and 140. ये clear हुआ या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
पहले हम हमेशा A B करते थे, A B C, only one person. यहाँ 10 person आ गया. इसको फिर 1 person करने के लिए you just have to multiply that, and you'll get 70 and 140. What will be the LCM? LCM will be 140. Okay, which is equal to total units of work. So you have 140 units of work. (140 units). Now let's go. So 10 men are completing the work in 7 days. Okay, and 10 women take 14 days, and total work is 140 units. क्या अभी आपको दिख रहा है इसमें? अभी कैसे निकालेंगे हम? 1 man will do how many total units of work per day? इजी है ना? देखिए 10 men complete the work in 7 days, okay, and total 140 units है. So 10 men can do 20 units per day. तभी वो 7 days में 140 units खत्म करेंगे ना. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes.
10 men will do 20 units per day. तभी वो 7 days में 140 units खत्म करेंगे ना. So 1 man will do 1 unit per day. इसको आप रेसिप्रोकल से करेंगे तो बहुत ही कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है इसमें. ये एलसीएम वाला थोड़ा इजी रहता है. 1 man will do, sorry, 1 नहीं, 2, my mistake, 2 units per day. ठीक है? 1 man will do 2 units per day. So 5 men, see ये 5 men बोल रहा है. 5 men will do how many units per day? 5 men will do 10 units per day. Is it okay? Clear? अभी men का ही पहले निकाला, women का अब मैं निकालूंगा. 10 men can do 20 units per day because total 140 units है work units. So 1 man can do 2 units per day if 10 men can do 20 units. So 5 men will do 10 units per day. Now let's go to women. 10 women take 14 days to complete the work. They were taking 14 days. So 10 women can do how many units per day? 10 units per day. होगा या नहीं? Because they are completing in 14 days and total 140 units work है. Work is 140 units. So 140 divided by 14 is they are doing 10 units per day, then only ये 14 days में complete कर सकेंगे 140 units. So one woman will do 1 unit per day. Okay, then 10 women will do. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
something happened, so I thought maybe. यहाँ तक आप बताओ ये क्लियर हुआ या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
5 men do 10 units per day and 10 women also do 10 units per day. ये कैसे कैलकुलेशन हुआ? ये क्लियर हुआ?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay, if this is clear, then 5 men plus 10 women. How many units per day they will do? 5 men plus 10 women will give 5 men is 10 units per day and 10 women is also 10 units per day. So they are doing 20 units per day.
7 days.
Very good. Very good. 20 units per day. So together they are doing 20 units per day. Total work is 140 units. So 140 divided by 20, you'll get 7. So they will take 7 days to complete the work. This is 140 divided by 20. Total 140 units divided by 20 units per day. They will take 7 days to complete the work. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how you solve this. So बस यही चीज करना है कि ये LCM जो निकालते हैं ना, यहाँ आप ध्यान रखो, अगर कम में निकालोगे तो पॉइंट में आंसर आ जाएगा. ओके, कम में निकालोगे तो पॉइंट में आंसर आ जाएगा. 7 days and 14 days का LCM लोगे तो 14 days आ जाएगा. So 10 men can 14 units आ जाएगा टोटल वर्क. 14 यूनिट जब आप डिवाइड करोगे आगे 14 डिवाइडेड बाय समथिंग 14 तो वो पॉइंट्स में आने लगेगा. पॉइंट्स में कैलकुलेशन दिक्कत हो जाती है. So you just multiply and things become very easy. Okay, this is another problem which is of efficiency problem. A is thrice as good workman as B, and therefore A is able to finish the job in 60 days less than B. Working together, how many days they can do it? See, here we have to understand that A is 3 times better than workman than B. So if for completing a piece of work, if A takes 1 day, then B will take 3 days. Okay. Am I clear in this?
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm trying to say here is, if A takes 1 day to complete the work, then B will take 3 days to complete the work. Okay. और दूसरा चीज जो इसमें देखना है कि A is able to finish the job 60 days earlier than B. Okay, sorry. A is able to finish the job 60 days earlier than B. Okay. So what it is saying is difference of A and B, which is B minus A. B minus A, sorry. B minus A is 60. Okay, this is what the difference is. Number of days B takes and number of days A take. If you find the difference, that is equal to 60. That is what it is saying. Okay. Now understand here. See, this one I'm taking. For 2 days difference between A and B. Okay, I can write this. This one. For 2 days difference of A and B, okay, B takes 3 days. For 2 days difference between A and B, which I am saying B minus A. For 2 days difference, which is B minus A, B takes 3 days. है ना? Here, if I say A and B together, if I say the difference is what? Difference is 2. B minus A is 2. So B minus A, 2 days difference is found when B works for 3 days. So 60 days, if I have to find 60 days difference, which is what in the question it's given. Okay, this is B minus A is 60. For 60 days difference, how many days B will take? It will be 3 divided by 2 into 60 is equal to, this will be 30. So this will be 90. So what it is saying is for 60 days difference between A and B, B will be completing the work in 90 days. ये क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? यही इसका मेन है, उसके बाद फिर इजी हो जाता है. ये क्लियर हुआ या नहीं? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
A is able to finish a job 60 days less than B, which means B अगर 90 days ले रहा है तो A 30 days लेगा, तो डिफरेंस 60 होता है. ओके, अब ये कैसे हमने निकाला, ये हम ये कर रहे हैं कि सपोज A takes 1 day, then B takes 3 days because of efficiency A is thrice as good workman as B. तो एक दिन में जो A काम करेगा B उसको 3 दिन में करेगा. डिफरेंस दोनों में कितना हुआ? 2 days. ओके, so for 2 days difference, B 3 दिन काम करेगा, तब A and B का difference 2 days होगा. So for 60 days difference between A and B, B को कितने दिन काम करना होगा? वो 90 days. And once you get this, then things become easy. Thus for 60 days difference, B takes 90 days. So now you are getting A completes the work in 30 days. If B completes the work in 90 days, then A will complete in 30 days because the ratio is 1:3, efficiency ratio. 90 and 30 का LCM 90 हो जाएगा, which means A does 3 units per day and B does 1 unit per day. So total they are doing 4 units per day. And LCM is 90, so total work is 90 units. The total days is 90 by 4 is 22.5. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Tap A. Now this is some couple of problems we'll be solving, which is more on pipe and cistern problems. But work and time principles से हम इसे बहुत easily solve कर सकते हैं. Time and work principles. So tap A can fill a tank in 10 hours, while tap B can fill the same tank in 15 hours. If both taps are open simultaneously, in how much time the tank gets full? This is the same thing as A can do a work in 10 hours and B can do work in 15 hours. They work together, how many hours they will take to complete the work. It's the same thing. Okay, so you can use that formula AB by A plus B, you'll get answer. Or you can do reciprocal, or you can do the same thing as LCM. I'll do it with LCM. So LCM अगर मैं लेता हूँ 10 and 15 का, yes, very good, 6. So LCM will be 30, 10 and 15 का LCM is 30. So 30 is the total work units, which means A can do 3 units per hour and B can do 2 units per hour. Together they work, दोनों साथ में काम कर गया, दोनों को साथ में खोल दिया गया, तो they are doing 5 units per hour and total units is 30. So tank gets full in 30 divided by 5, which is 6 hours. This one. This one. यहाँ थोड़ा सा difference है concept में. An inlet tap A can fill the tank in 12 hours, whereas an outlet tap B can empty the tank in 30 hours. Full tank in 30 hours. If both the taps are open simultaneously, how much time the tank gets full? अब इसमें एक टैप खोला हमने जो पानी भर रहा है, दूसरा नीचे में टैप है टैंक का, वो खोल दिया, पानी निकाल भी रहा है। तो कितने देर में टैंक में पानी भरेगा, पूरा टैंक फुल होगा। दोनों साथ में काम कर रहे हैं। इसमें कंसेप्ट आता है एक नेगेटिव वर्क का। पानी जो भर रहा है वो तो पॉजिटिव वर्क है, लेकिन पानी जो निकाल रहा है वो नेगेटिव वर्क है। सो now with the same principle, if we take 12 and 30, the LCM will be 60. Very good. So A does 60 by 12, A does 5 units per hour, and B empties the tank 2 units per hour. Now जो empty कर रहा है, it is negative work. So effective कितना units per hour हो रहा है? 5 minus 3, या minus हो जाएगा ये, क्योंकि -2, 5 - 2, तो इफेक्टिव वर्क 3 यूनिट्स पर आवर हो रहा है। जब 3 यूनिट्स पर आवर हो रहा है तो कितने देर में भरेगा 60 यूनिट्स? 20 hours.
20 hours.
Let me explain you once more this whole thing. See, total LCM is 60. This is very clear. We have been doing this. Okay, so it is 60 units of work. Now tap A fills 5 units in 1 hour because in 12 hours it is filling the tank. So 60 units अगर है तो 5 units per hour करेगा, तभी वो 12 आवर्स में 60 यूनिट्स भर पाएगा। टैप बी एम्प्टी कितना कर रहा है? 2 यूनिट्स पर आवर। टैप बी एम्प्टी कर रहा है 2 यूनिट्स पर आवर बिकॉज इट कैन एम्प्टी द होल टैंक इन 30 आवर्स। ओके, ऑन 60 यूनिट्स इसको निकालना है, तो इट विल डू 2 यूनिट्स पर आवर। नाउ टैप बी जो एम्प्टी कर रहा है दैट इज नेगेटिव वर्क, इट इज -2, एंड टैप ए पानी भर रहा है दैट इज पॉजिटिव वर्क, +5। तो इफेक्टिव वर्क कितना हो रहा है? 5 - 2। अगर दोनों साथ में काम करते, दोनों ऊपर का खुला रहता तो 5 + 2 हो जाता, 5 + 3 हो जाता। सॉरी, यहाँ कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया है, आप ये थोड़ा सा करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा, दिस वन। ओके, ये दिस इज एक्चुअली 5 - 2 is equal to 3 units per hour. ये गलती से लिखा, विल करेक्ट इट, बट अभी तो खैर। Okay, so effective work done is 5 - 2, because tab B can empty the tank 2 units in 1 hour. So 5 - 2, which is 3 units per hour. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 5 - 2 is 3 units per hour. You see this is wrong. आप इसको नहीं कवर कीजिए। So effective work is 3 units per hour. Total work is 60 units. So the tank gets full in 20 hours. 60 divided by 3. Let's do this. 2 inlet taps A and B can fill a tank in 12 and 15 hours respectively. If these 2 taps are opened along with an outlet tap C, then the tank gets filled in 10 hours. In how much time the outlet tap C can alone empty the tank? ये बोल रहा है कि दोनों A and B खुला हुआ है और C भी खुला हुआ है, तीनों खुला हुआ है, तो टैंक भरता है 10 आवर्स में। टैंक भरता है 10 आवर्स में। ओके, एंड A does 12 hours. A fills the tank in 12 hours and B fills the tank in 15 hours. And tap A, B and C तीनों खुला है, तो tank gets filled in 10 hours. Tap C पानी निकाल रहा है, tap A and B पानी भर रहा है. So in how much time the outlet tap C, अगर मैं A and B को बंद कर दूं और C को खोल दूं, तो कितने देर में वो टैंक को खाली कर देगा? Okay. So here also, first of all, let's take the LCM. What are the 3 numbers here? We have 12, 15, 12, 15 and 10. So what will be the LCM? Total work will be? Sorry, LCM कितना होगा?
60.
नहीं, कोई आंसर बताया मेरे को।
No, 6 LCM बताया।
अच्छा, okay. 60 units. Very good. Okay. Now A and B. A कितना units per hour कर रहा है? A can fill the tank in 12 hours. So A can do 60 by 12 is equal to 5 units per hour. And B can do, बस अब खत्म हो जाएगा, एक और प्रॉब्लम है. B can do 4 units per hour because it can fill the tank in 15 hours and total 60 units भरना है, तो it can do 4 units per hour. And A plus B plus C, how many units per hour they are doing? When all three are open. जो नीचे वाला टैंक जो निकाल रहा है पानी वो भी ओपन कर दिया है. A, B plus C, how many units per hour they are doing?
8.
8 नहीं. The tank gets filled in 10 hours and
10
total
hours.
6 है, तो 6 होगा ना.
6.
They are doing 6 units per hour. So C कितना कर रहा है? C का कितना है units per hour is equal to 6 minus A minus B, है ना. Minus A is 5 minus B is 4, which will be equal to minus 3 units per hour. माइनस क्यों आया? बिकॉज इट इज डूइंग नेगेटिव वर्क, पानी निकाल रहा है. सो साइन माइनस आया, इसका मतलब ये नेगेटिव वर्क कर रहा है, बट एक्चुअली 3 यूनिट्स पर आवर ये पानी निकाल रहा है. सो टोटल 60 यूनिट्स को कितने घंटे में निकालेगा? इफ इज डूइंग 3 यूनिट्स पर आवर, 20 आवर्स है ना.
Yes.
So sorry, so total it will be it is doing 3 units per hour negative work. Okay, total work is 60 units, so it will empty the tank. Negative work means empty कर रहा है. Okay, बस उसका साइन का ही केवल ये है 60 by 3, so it is 20 hours में ये पूरे टैंक को खाली कर देगा. केवल इसी को खोला गया. A and B are not working. A and B are closed, but only C टैप को खाली किया गया. Okay. This is the last one. A can do a work in 15 days and B can do the same work in 25 days. If they work on alternate days, starting from B on the first day, A on the second day, B on the third day, and so on, in how many days the work will be completed? Alternate day काम कर रहा है, एक दिन B कर रहा है, एक दिन A कर रहा है. और इसमें कर रहा है starting from B. B पहले दिन काम किया, फिर A किया, फिर B किया, फिर A किया. तो जहां भी आए सबसे पहले तो मैं इसका LCM निकालूं. तो 15 है and 25 है. So
75.
yes, so LCM is 75. Very good. LCM is equal to 75 is equal to total units of work, है ना. अब A can do a work in 15 days. So A, how many units per day A can do? A can do 5 units per day. And B can do 3 units per day.
EU.
Yes, because 25 days में कर रहा है, so ये 3 units per day, right? अब let's say day 1. Day 1 में क्या हुआ? Day 1 में पहला B शुरू कर रहा है ना. And B how many units per day कर रहा है? 3 units per day कर रहा है. Okay, ये day 1 है, ये day है, ये person है. And
सर आंसर ए है क्या?
नहीं, आंसर ए नहीं होगा, आंसर होगा इन हाउ मेनी डेज द वर्क विल बी कंप्लीटेड. सो यू हैव टू गिव, ओ अच्छा ए, सॉरी ए यहाँ देख, नहीं ए नहीं है, ए नहीं है. तो पहला दिन ये कितना यूनिट्स ऑफ वर्क खत्म हो रहा है. ओके, कितना यूनिट्स खत्म हो रहा है, ये यूनिट्स है. ओके, सो in day 1 B is working and he completes 3 units. On day 2 A works, B नहीं कर रहा है, A वर्क कर रहा है और A कितना यूनिट खत्म कर रहा है, 5 यूनिट खत्म कर रहा है. फिर थर्ड डे B आता है and he again does 3 unit. Fourth day A आता है and he does 5 unit. So if you see, there's a pair of 8 units, 8 units. Every 2 days, 8 units are being covered. है ना? So if you see this, you will find in 18 days. In 18 days,
72.
yes, 72 units of work will be completed. In 18 days, 72 units of work will be completed. And total work कितना है? 75 units. Now 19th day को कौन आएगा? A आएगा या B आएगा? अब देखो odd days को B आ रहा है, even days को A आ रहा है. 1, 3, 5, 7 को B आता है. तो 19th is odd, तो 19th day को B आएगा. अब B 19th day में 3 units करेगा, है ना? 3 units B 19th day में करेगा. So this 3 units and plus this 72 units, it would become 75 units.
75.
So 19 days में 75 units will be covered, which is the whole work will be completed in 19 days. So now see this again. Total work LCM is 75 units, that's we know. A's 1 day work is 5 units, B's 1 day work is 3 units. So day 1, 2, 3, person B, A, B, so units 3, 5, 3, ये हमने देखा. So every 2 days 8 units are completed. So 18 days में 72 units complete होंगे. Remaining 3 units will be completed on B by B on 19th day, because 19 is odd day and that day B will be working. So total 75 days में, sorry, total 19 days में 75 units of work खत्म हो जाएगा, which is total work will be finished. This is what the answer is. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this was the last problem. We finished this here. And we'll send you the presentation as well as the video will be uploaded today. You can see all the things.